Wow. I mean, wow. 1971 Plymouth Cuda. That's like the ultimate muscle car. They made very few of these. This one here is a 383 automatic with factory air in violet, they call it. They call it Plum Crazy on the Dodge. White interior. According to the fender tags, this is how the car was born. The billboard stripe was added to it, but other than that, what you see is how it left the factory. It's a 2 fender tag car. That's how many features there are, and it's decoded on these 2 pages right here. This car is listed in Galen Govier's registry. Very rare car with all these options. You can go to volocars.com, and we have copies of the documentation, photos of the car top to bottom, the write-up about the car, and also a price tag. Every one of our cars does have the price tag at our website with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. If you get really excited about a car, we have a Buy It Now button on our website. That'll lock the car up for you until you have a chance to talk to the salesman. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So underneath this car is actually very original. I mean, I don't think it's ever even been spray canned. The floors have the factory undercoat, the frame rails, the rockers, the floor pans. From what I could see, looks like pristine, original metal, not cut up, not patched, no new floor pans. It hasn't even been spray painted. It looks original, and it's very nice and solid. And as far as the suspension and steering and brakes, all that's been checked out by our shop. It all looks to be in good, proper condition, maintained and replaced as needed. It is disc brakes in the front, e-brakes systems all hooked up. The dual exhaust system does look new, and it looks like a reproduction system. It has a muffler on each side, and it also has the big round resonators in back that these come with. And being a Cuda, it has the big rectangle chrome tips sticking out right through the valance. So you look up at the motor, that's super clean. The VIN number on the side of the block down by the oil pan does match the VIN number on the car. It's 727 torque flight automatic transmission, 8 3/4 rear end. Now let's check out the body. I've walked around it a few times. It looks really good, but let's get up close with it. So the Cuda comes with the double scooped hood with the hood pins here. I'm not sure if they all had the pins or not, but this one's got it. This lines up square. This is straight, not wavy, fits real nice, looks good. This car has the light package, so you see turn signals right here. All clean and straight. What makes a 71 special is the grille with the quad headlights, the gills on the side. That's what really makes a 71 a little bit different. And they just made less of them. They made about 50-something hundred Cuda hardtops altogether. Now there's a Barracuda. The Cuda is the performance version. Back to the body, all clean, no bubbles down here. It's all straight, no door dents. Lines up real nice, all nice, clean, straight metal. This all looks good. The body's looking excellent. Oops, we got a little bird poop. I'll have to get off there right away. No dents, no rust, no bubbles. Lines up real nice. Got the painted racing mirrors. According to the tag, it was born in violet, the purple metallic color, and it is smooth and glossy. I'll call it a 9 out of 10. There are some chips on the edge here of the door. And if you look close, you'll find a piece of dust or a little something or other here and there. That's why I'm not calling it a 10, but it's a really nice paint job. And then the billboard decal, that's what it is, a decal, was added. But boy, does that make the car. Big 383 call out. White vinyl tops in really nice shape. The stainless moldings are either brand new or they've been polished. They look like chrome. Windshield looks new. The gills are real nice. Up front, the bumper, the grills, everything up here is really nice, clean looking in the front end. I don't know if this is an aftermarket antenna. Almost looks like a power antenna. 15-inch rallye wheels in real good shape. Couple little chips in the paint. Trim is real shiny. BF Goodrich tires look excellent. The back window's crystal clear too. Might even be new. It's that nice. And then the Cuda has the blacked out tail panel, rear bumper, nice and shiny. So let's open it up, take a tour of the inside. All right, let's see what's in the trunk. Oh, nobody jumped out. That's good. All painted real nice. The jam under the trunk lid's real slick. The weather strips, the grommets all look real good. Inside is painted purple. You have a spare, and then the jack looks real new, maybe a reproduction jack. Trunk mat is new. So that's what I call clean and complete. Nice trunk compartment. The door jambs are painted real nice. The weather strips and window seals are replaced. The door panels look new, including the armrest and even the window cranks. The dash pad, they always split and crack, so I'm going to assume this is new because it's not split. The instrument panel, all the writing and knobs and vents, everything looks really good. It's not cut up, not broken. It has the original AM radio in here. Factory AC vents. All this is nice and clean. Clean inside here. Kick panels are nice. Carpets are real nice. Very nice, clean, original console with the slapstick shifter. There are couple just like age cracks right here in the seat. The seats look to be in real good shape. According to the tag, it was born a white interior. I mean, this is the ultimate, purple with white for a 71 Cuda. Killer. Back seat's real nice. Side panels are real nice. Has a rear window defogger. All the trim, real good. White headliner, visors look real nice. The mirror is a little bit cloudy. This is a really nice interior. They made them with 340s, all the way up to the Hemi. This is a genuine 383 car. The horsepower was 330, something like that in 1971. You can see it's real clean, factory condition, all stock valve covers, manifolds, air cleaner, all looks stock. Complete factory heat and air conditioning system. The engine bay is all painted beautifully. We got the horns, washer bottle, correct Chrysler radiator, the shroud, the hose clamps, everything looks proper. Alternator looks fresh. So there is a VIN number. It matches the car. The hidden number is back here. Battery is secured. We've got a disconnect. Now here's the two fender tags. The hose goes right over it. We did move the hose and took pictures on our website. And you can see power steering, power brakes, wiper motor, everything. All the components look really nice in here. And then there's another VIN number stamped up on the cowl area. They all match the car.
All right, everybody. I tell you, I must have died this morning and gone Mopar heaven. What a special treat. 71 Cuda. Numbers matching 383. It also has the 727 torque light auto. Making things even better, it's a factory in violet car, or Plum Crazy purple. and it has a factory white interior and is a factory air conditioning car. And this thing has been documented as a one of one, ordered in this configuration. So, once in a lifetime opportunity, essentially. And I'm very excited to present this vehicle to you guys. So it's been through our shop. They inspected it top to bottom. We pulled about a $2,100 service bill on it, including detail. If you need all the specifics of that, go ahead and check out our website. But for right now, let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no issue. Wow. I mean, how cool, how original, and it runs sweet, man. It runs really, really nice. You see how it goes down the street. Pretty straight alignment on it too. I mean, this thing is just exceptional for what it is, and it's really special. And yeah, well, you can get it. You may want to consider clicking the buy it now on it. That may be a good option for you. But other than that, if you feel like you got time, come on down, test drive it yourself. You're not going to be disappointed, I'll tell you that much. And also check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So folks, this is an incredible car. I'm around cars all the time, every day for decades now. When I got the phone call, 71 Cuda, 383 with air, purple with white interior, I could barely sit in my chair. I mean, this is exciting. This is an ultimate car. This is a car that every muscle car collector would dream to have. And the 71, I told you about the gills and the grills. I think the billboard stripe has a lot to do with it too. If you took a purple 70 Cuda and parked it next to this, I think you would see why. And they just made less of them. It just makes the 71 that much more rare and desirable. People are after the 71 Cuda. That's the year to have. And there we go. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered to your door and how to get it financed. volocars.com. That's where you'll find the Buy It Now button as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.